Let's make some passive money. This has been requested. Stocks, aka stocks, the stock market. What to do, how to do it safely. Should you do it? Should everybody do it? The answer is yes, and as early as possible. Now, where do we go? What do we do? There's a lot. There's a lot of options, but I will give you one today that is easy, that is historically safe, and beats the inflation rate of 2% by just having your money essentially burned by 2% every single year in a bank. And hello, my name is Karina. If it's your first time on here, I make videos about how to be your best possible self, and today's video is going to be a little bit more specific than my usual ones about finance. That's going to be about a specific investment into the stock market. If you want my entire program where I talk about how to be the best possible $1 million woman, I have it linked down below. We talk about everything and how to improve ourselves, so you'll find some great stepping stones down below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So a great mindset to have is to start saving and investing as early as possible. And when people think of the stock market, they think of like pumping in all this money into something that is a really hot stock or trending, but that's actually not going to give you a lot of return because it's very volatile and it can change at any minute. But I'm here to provide you with a safe way that you can do right now. You just have to open a stock account and put money in. So the first thing you want to do is actually you want to tax yourself. You pay money to the government, you pay money for school or to your credit card, you pay bills, electric, you pay food, you go out with your friends. But what we don't do is we don't tax ourselves. So this is going to be a set amount every single month that we set aside before we start actually spending money on fun things or whatever else we may need. But we set it aside to put it into stocks. This is what you're going to do no matter what happens. And it could be $300 or $500, but the sooner you start getting into the habit, the more exciting it will be. And there's a thing called compound, so the more returns you will see in the long run. So what stock should you put it into? Actually, not one specific stock. You want to put it in ETF. An ETF is an exchange traded fund, and a good one is SPY, SPY. Think of it like this. You are in a room at a conference, and around you are the 500 most intelligent people that all own their own companies. So if one of them fails that year, another one might over succeed and over excel, and it will make up for that failure. So altogether, it's not as volatile. There is less risk associated with it. And this is a great collection of 500 different stocks in one room. So if there's any fluctuation, you will be fine. And actually, historically, it goes up 8% annually. So every $100 you put in, you're going to get $8 back. Now, that doesn't seem like too much, but every 10 years, it doubles. So imagine you put in $10,000, in 10 years, it's going to be $20,000. And we all want instant gratification. And of course, we all want to see $20,000 in our bank account right now for doing nothing, but that's not gonna happen, of course. And this is just a good mentality to have, because over time, you will see that you will get better at it. It might encourage you to invest into other things that grow your money a little bit faster. But honestly, 8% is really high compared to the fact that you are losing 2% every single year on average from just having your money sit in a bank account. And the little percentage that your bank gives to you for having your money there is not enough to cover the inflation. And the interesting thing is why banks are so incredibly wealthy is because they use your money to make more money. That's kind of like the secret of wealth building, is that people use money to make them more money. They don't use kind of their time to make them more money. Once they have a set amount, they know where to put it, so it grows passively. And this is one of the best ways to grow it passively and safely that you can start essentially today. And it doesn't have to be a crazy amount. Like I said, I really suggest getting into the habit as early as possible. So this is the first video, maybe one of the many. Let me know if you like this type of financial advice. Let me know what you think about this in the comments, and if there's other advice that you would like from me. Like I said, my $1 Million Lady program is linked down below. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and I will see you in the next one. Have fun building this habit. It's a good one.